Again, we're still in the epsilon delta. Let's write this down. So given, we're given there's an epsilon greater than 0. We're going to choose a delta. I have no idea. And what we're going to do is suppose. What are we supposing? It's over here, that the absolute value of x minus 6 is less than delta, and the x can't be 6. We're going to check. This is the tough part. What are we going to check? We're going to check the function minus the limit, and we have to work with that. My goal is to see this eventually. Something to do with the delta. So I'm going to do what I did before. Put this over here. Multiply by the top, multiply by the conjugate. Let's just work through that. Get the absolute value. On top, what do you get? We get 3x minus 2 minus 16. So 3x minus 18. Now, a couple of things I notice immediately is the top's factorable. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to factor a 3 out. And the other thing I notice is that the absolute value of that square root plus 4, the square root of 3x minus 2 in a real number system is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. So that is always going to be a positive number. It's actually always going to be greater than 4. Well, if the bottom is always greater than 4, this thing here would be less than 3, absolute value x minus 6. Again, that bottom number is always better than 4. Okay? Now what? Well, I'm going to say that this is less than 3. Well, what's the absolute value of x minus 6 less than? Delta. And this will be equal to epsilon. So what's a delta have to be? Epsilon over 3. Go back over here. Epsilon over 3. And we're done with that. Thank you.